month, people always need calendars. Turn this everyday essential into a money maker. The first step is researching design trends for calendars. We will head over to Instagram, Etsy, and Amazon to explore the best ideas for 2025. Look for popular themes like minimalistic design, inspirational quotes, or even nature and travel photography. Make sure to take notes of this inspiration as it will be valuable for our marketing efforts and designs. Now it's time to unleash your creativity. We will take a free and easy approach. Create a template with dimensions of 1920 by 3000 for cover. I usually compile all my researched ideas, inspiration, and thoughts in ChatGPT to refine everything and gain a clear view of what I have. After that, if you are a designer, you can create your own design or you can ask ChatGPT to generate an image prompt for you. Microsoft DALL-E can generate images based on your ideas. We will create a calendar starting in January so it will highlight the end of the month, holidays, and the beginning of New Year. This can be our cover image. Let's download it. Generate prompts for each month and create images accordingly. I asked ChatGPT to theme my images based on the significance of each month, such as January for New Year, February for Valentine's Day, and so on. First, save all images. Next, go to Canva and upload the cover image here. I added 2025 to indicate which year this calendar represents. Adjust everything to suit your needs. Finally, click on Share to download the image. Check out my previous video on travel tumblers where I provided a step-by-step guide on product research. If you are confident, Alibaba is a great option. It's cheaper than Printful and offers better profit margins. You can contact the supplier, ask for dimensions, and share your design. Request a sample and negotiate the prices. Be confident, clearly communicate your vision, and demonstrate that you are aiming for a long term business relationship to strengthen your negotiation. Another option is Printful, a print on demand model that works on pre orders. It's great for beginners, and even if you use Alibaba, you can still upload your design here to preview how the final product will look. Create a new Canva template for each month with dimensions of 1920 by 1300. Upload and adjust the image. Once done, download it as a PDF print. Don't forget to download the cover in PDF print format as well. Upload it on Printful. I duplicated the same image at the bottom part of the calendar which reduced transparency. Repeat the same process for the remaining months as well. Click on Save to Templates. Now, think about where you will purchase these items. Which platform will you use? The first platform is Amazon. Create your seller account by visiting Amazon Seller Central. First, decide how you want to sell, either an individual seller, which is free, or with a professional plan if you are using Printful. The next option is Etsy. Simply connect your Etsy account by signing through Printful. It's also a great platform to launch creative products like wall calendars. Another great option is TikTok Shop, as people enjoy buying directly through engaging content and trending videos. Now that you have researched and selected the best fit platform, let's submit our product to the store. Select variants if you want and click on Proceed to Mockups. Now, choose Mockups here. Use a white background and include as many images as you like. You can always add more later with some editing, such as adding text after conducting proper competitor research. Now, open the sheets where you saved all your research. Review the listing and post together keywords, titles, and descriptions. If you are unsure about how to write your title and description, you can ask ChatGPT to filter your ideas and generate the title and description for the platform you are using. Copy and paste title and description here. In text, add keywords. Click on continue. Now after some research, decide the price. Finally, click on submit to store. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.